What's up, BuySmart family? Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the nitty-gritty of gadgets to help you make those oh-so-important purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's gonna make your head spin faster than these quadcopters. On the left, we have the Ruko U11S, and on the right, the Loiley drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. All right, let's start with the most painful part of any purchase, your wallet. The Ruko U11S is coming in hot at $283. Ouch, right? Meanwhile, the Loiley drone is giving your bank account a break at just $99. That's right, for the price of a fancy dinner, you can have your very own drone. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for. Let's see if that's true here. Now, let's talk cameras. The Ruko U11S boasts a 4K UHD camera that's adjustable up to 90 degrees. Perfect for capturing those high-def, I'm cooler than you Instagram shots. On the other hand, the Loiley drone sports a humble 1080p HD camera, which is like using a flip phone in the age of smartphones. It also adjusts 90 degrees. But let's be real. It's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a home video. Reviewers love the crisp and clear video quality of the Ruko U11S, while the Loiley drone's camera is considered decent for its price. Next up, flight time. The Ruko U11S gives you 20 minutes of airborne fun per battery, and they throw in an extra battery for a total of 40 minutes. That's like 2 episodes of your favorite Netflix show. Meanwhile, Loiley drone offers a not-too-shabby 25 to 30 minutes with its 2 batteries. It's like they're saying, hey, we may be cheap, but we've got stamina. Reviewers appreciate the solid flight time of the Ruko U11S, but the Loiley drone's extended time is a pleasant surprise at its price point. Now, let's see how user-friendly these bad boys are. The Ruko U11S is designed for beginners with 1 key functions and a transmitter that charges directly. No more hunting for AA batteries like it's the 90s. Loiley drone, though, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones for newbies. It's got 1 key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and even headless mode. Plus, you can control it with an app that has voice control and gesture selfies. It's practically begging you to make TikToks. Reviewers find the Ruko U11S easy to handle, but they rave about the intuitive and fun features of the Loiley drone. Both drones are foldable, making them perfect travel companions. The Ruko U11S folds down to the size of a phone, so you can slip it into your bag and hit the road. Loiley drone, though, is so compact it practically disappears. It's like a magic trick. Now you see it, now you don't. Plus, it's under 250 grams, which means no FAA registration. It's the James Bond of drones, sneaky and sleek. Reviewers love the portability of both drones, but the Loiley drone's lightweight design is a standout feature. Finally, let's talk customer support. Ruko promises a 30-day return and a 90-day free warranty. Plus, their customer service team is ready to help with any FAA-related questions. Loiley isn't slacking either, offering 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and money-back services. It's like having a drone therapist on speed dial. Reviewers appreciate the reliable support from Ruko, while Loiley's 24-hour service is seen as a major plus. Summarizing the reviews, the Ruko U11S is praised for its high-quality camera, solid flight time, and reliable customer support. It's seen as a great option for both beginners and experienced users. On the other hand, the Loiley drone is appreciated for its affordability impressive flight time, and intuitive features, making it a fantastic choice for those new to drones or on a budget. So which drone is right for you? If you're looking for high-quality footage and don't mind splurging, the Ruko U11S is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and want a fun, user-friendly experience, the Loiley drone is a solid pick. Either way, you're gonna have a blast. And remember, no matter which drone you choose, always fly smart and buy smart. Until next time, happy flying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.